Want to use Grok AI for free and generate videos without limits? In this video, I'll show you a simple method you can start using right away. Click the link in the description to take you directly to this page, or simply search Roboneo.com in your browser. Click on Login at the top right corner to sign in or create an account. Choose any method you prefer, but I'll continue with Google for an easier sign-up. This is how clean and straightforward the homepage looks, making it easy to navigate and get started quickly. Your invite code will pop up instantly on the screen. Let me quickly copy it because we will use it later in the video. Now click on New Project on the side panel, then select Workflow. As you can see, there are already some sample workflow nodes available here. You can explore them if you want, but I'll clear everything and start from scratch since this video focuses on using Grok AI for free. Click on the plus icon to start selecting nodes. Let me scroll down and find Image to Video. Now drag and drop it into the workflow. As you can see, this node allows you to upload an image and convert it into a video, but there is no place to enter a text prompt yet, so we need to add a text node. Before adding the text node, let's first select the model we will use. Click on Model, scroll through the available options, and select Grok. Next, choose your preferred duration. I'll go with 8 seconds. For resolution, I'll keep it at 720p since that is the highest available. Oh, I just noticed this random node here. Let me quickly remove it. To add the text node, click on the plus icon again, drag and drop text into the workflow, and position it wherever you like. Now connect the text node to the image to video node. Everything is set, so I'll paste my prompt into the text node. Then I'll click on the image node and upload a simple image to convert into video. Once you are done, click Run and give it a few seconds to process. Now let me expand and play the video so you can see the result. The motion looks smooth and the overall output is surprisingly clean for a free generation. If you like the result, click download at the top to save it to your device. You'll notice that the platform gives you 20 free credits, but that might not be enough, so let's look at how to use it without limits. Click on your profile icon and log out of your current account. Then open a new tab and search temp-mail.org. This site provides temporary emails. Copy the email provided, then go back to Roboneo and create a new account. Click on Login at the top right, and when this pop-up appears, select Clear Login Data or log into another account. I'll go with Clear Login Data. Click Continue with Email, then select Register with Email, paste the temporary email, enter any password, and click Register. To receive your verification code, solve the puzzle, then go back to the temp mail page. You will see a message, open it, copy the code, return to Roboneo, paste it, and click Next. Once you are back on the main page, click on Redeem Invitation Code on the side panel, paste the code you copied earlier, and click Confirm. Now you can see your credits have increased from 70 to 120. Since you registered your first account with your personal email, you can always go back to it and continue receiving referral and daily bonuses. You can repeat this process whenever you need more credits to keep generating. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.